Hello children, let's start with the poem The Road Not Taken. This poem is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply. When we will go through this poem, you will see that this is written in very simple words about common and ordinary experiences which each one of us at some point in our life have. But his poems are very insightful, having deep meaning. This is the specialty of the poet. Now, what is the poem about? The poem is about making choices and the choices that shapes us. Here, the road not taken. In this, the word road symbolizes our life. The poet says that the path or the road which we do not choose in our life is the road not taken. He says that at some point of our life, all of us have some choices, and from them we choose some and we leave behind some of the choices. And the path we choose decides our future, our destination. The important message that this poem gives, that the choice we make in our life have a great impact on our future. And if we make a wrong choice, we regret it but cannot go back on it. Like in your student life, if you decide to have good friends, to study hard, to bring good result, respect your parents, to work according to what they say, you will be on the right path. You are choosing the right road which will take you miles ahead. But if you do not choose the right path, if you fail in this, then you will be lagged behind. Let's start with the first stanza. The first stanza says that roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now, here, the two roads diverged in a yellow wood. First, see the meaning of yellow wood. Yellow wood means forest with decomposed leaves, where the lot of leaves have fallen down, from the trees. And the roads diverged. Diverged means separated and took different paths. Like here is a road and it diverged. Diverged means one went that way and one went this way. This is the diversion. Okay, so two roads, there was a single path and it diverged in a yellow wood where there were forests of decomposed leaves is diverged into two different paths. Now he says that sorry, I could not travel both, because he was a single traveler. He is one person, so he cannot go on both the roads. He will have to choose one road out of them. So he was long I stood and looked down one as far as I could. What did he do? He was standing there on the diversion and he tried to look as far as he could. He wanted to see that which road was better, which option was good for him, so that he could choose. So he was standing and thinking that what he should do in his life, which path should he decide, which path will help him get to his destination. So he was trying hard to look to what will be the upcomings, what will be the difficulties, problems, or the advantages of the road which he choose. So as far as he could look, he tried to look till there to where it bent in the undergrowth. But the point till where he could see, what did he saw? That the roads, they bent or they went in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means dense growth. So बहुत घने टाइप के क्या हो, प्लांट्स और बुशेस. So he tried to look, but what did he saw? That he could not make much pre-decisions about where will the road lead him, and he just saw that the roads, they disappeared in the dense undergrowth. Now then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim. The poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check if it was the right path for him or not, and then he decided and started walking on the another path, feeling that this was the better claim. Better claim means better option. So what did he do? He started moving on the another path, and he thought that both were equally good, because he could not decide where the paths would lead him. So he thought that both the paths will have their own experiences, and he thought both will be equally good, and he started walking on another one. Further, he says that because it was grassy and wanted weir. It was grassy means on this path grasses were there, green plants were there. So जो रास्ते पर ज़्यादा grasses है means it is less traveled by, not much people passes through. अगर बहुत सारे लोग उस रास्ते से निकलते तो obviously that grass would have veered off, वो वहाँ से हट जाती. So he is saying because it was grassy and wanted weir, so not many people had walked on this path earlier, and this is why it was grassy. And wanted weir means that it was not walked over by many people. After he walked on the path for some distance, he realized that both the paths had been worn out the same way. Both the paths were similar and worn out, and even it is same in our life. We take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, disadvantages, problems, challenges, and we must face them. We think we are choosing a better option, but it is not that way. Every option or every choice or every road taken will have its own things, maybe good things, bad things, both you will have to face on that particular road.